Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know you're like, well, what the hell is this angle? But for today's video, I thought that I would do something different and just show you guys how I do my nails at home. This saves me a lot of money actually, because I used to spend about $60, $70, almost $80 every 2 to 3 weeks when I would do my acrylic nails. And acrylic nails are very bad for you. I've noticed that this way of doing my nails, it's a lot healthier and it lets my nails grow without really breaking them. So anyways, I'm just gonna go ahead and go right into the video. I have laid out the tips here that I am going to use. These are from Pressed Nails. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. I'll show you guys the case. So it looks like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and just continue. I laid out them. I've laid them out like this, so it's easy for me to kind of just glue them on quickly once I begin. So you first want to kind of clean your nail bed of any nail polish. You want to go ahead and clean your cuticles. I already did that. I used just 100% acetone with a cotton pad and just kind of cleaned off my nails. I'm gonna go ahead and now file down my nail bed a little bit. This kind of creates a surface for the glue to adhere a lot better. I'm gonna use a Kiss electrical nail filer because I'm very lazy. So I'm just gonna go ahead and run this through all of my nails to just file down my nail bed. And again, I probably didn't mention, I got this Kiss nail set, nail kind of like filing set from CVS. So I'm pretty sure you can find it at your local drugstore. Alrighty, now that my nail beds have been filed down, just dusting away any excess kind of like nail residue I might have. So the next thing you're gonna need is just a nail glue. So I have this one, which is also a Kiss nail glue. It's the maximum speed. Okay, so what you're gonna do is just put some glue on here. So you just kind of want to put a dot, not a crazy amount, but just enough where it'll adhere well to your nail. So you kind of want to just center it and press down for a few seconds. Okay, now that they're all glued down, I'm gonna go ahead and take a nail clipper, and also I bought a nail filer from the Pressed website as well. This one's really good. These are the ones that they use at the nail salon. You have the flat side and then the rounded side. These are already shaped as coffin, which makes it very, very easy for me, because it used to take me forever and give me such a headache to get them shaped the way I want it to. But now it makes it easy. So I'm gonna go ahead and clip them a little short because these are too long for me. Alright, so I have filed my nails to my liking. Now what I'm gonna do is paint them. That's how fast and easy it is. I'm just gonna go ahead and use a regular nail polish. I'm gonna go ahead and take a Kathleen Lights KL polish. This is in the shade Carmelo. It's a very pretty kind of fall looking mustard shade, but I'm not a very summer brights person, so I'll go with this shade. After you've painted your nails, you can go ahead and just add a clear top coat. I'm gonna go ahead and just use this one from Sally Hansen and just apply them on all of my nails, obviously. Okay, so this is the final look for the nails. It's a beautiful fall shade. Obviously we're in the middle of summer, but I don't really care. So yeah, I love the shape, the length. They were so easily to apply. This is actually just my second time doing them, so impressed. I'm impressed. This is how they turned out. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. It would really mean a lot to me, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.